To enable always on display in Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G, first of all, let's open settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down, and here we want to go for personalization. Inside, we'll be able to find always on display. All you have to do is click on it, then activate it, and that way your always on display will be active. Next step would be to select your always on display style. So you can go for your themes, you can select signature themes, analog, which is basically a clock, kaleidoscope, digital, and any background from here. You can also go for your custom image. Let's for example pick that one, and keep in mind that each of those options also offer you customization, so you can change colors or a bunch of things. It depends on each style, because each one will offer kind of unique options. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.